backwards. Crossing quickly.
I can't.
Oh, yeah.
We'll have to get it there.
Yep. At least we caught him moving.
It's just a little short local.
Yep, a little short local. Where do you think he's headed?
Huntsville.
Huntsville? CSX has never passed through
They
Huntsville.
store an awful lot of cars over there.
Oh, true that. And there are a lot of Norfolk Southern ones. I didn't even see the gate go down.